Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world, whatever time of day it is. This is Rachel, also known as Dixie Diamond Painter, with an unboxing from a new company to me. And the company's Katsi's Crafty Things. I will put a link down below. If you hear noise, I have had the premium kit. They do very nice budget friendly ones. I haven't actually ordered one of them, but if you want me to, I will. So there is it comes wrapped in it's in a box wrapped in a bag. I don't know if that would be the same. It's a UK company. So what does it say? Thank you for your purchase. Oh right, okay. So you can find them Facebook, Instagram. I'll have a look. And I've ordered Fairy Cottage 75 centimetres. There is another one that I would really like to get from this company. Cost was £39.74, which isn't bad for a 75/70. So it comes in a basic box. It does have a sticker at the bottom with the image, but we're going to look at the image. This is a premium kit. So it is a square. But like I said, they've got a library one I really want, but they didn't have the one I wanted. Oh no, it's in a round. I could have sworn it's square, but never mind. This round is the way we go. Oh wow. Okay. It's a nice kit. So we have got, that just doesn't look like enough drills to me. Have I dropped some drills somewhere? There's no way. So there's 38 colours. So it's not in a bag or anything. So we've got some washi tape. Nice. We have some putty, wax. We have a really nice tray. We can put that on the end, so it's also, we'll try that when we do this one. I find 3D printed ones can be awkward. Some little silver tweezers. Put them up there. And then an actual resin pen. Nice screen with single placer and whatnot. Now I would have thought there was more than that. 38 colours. Move the tray. Oh, what was that? Oh, another pair of tweezers. It's upside down. We have an inventory sheet there, so I can make labels. Oh, upside down. Maybe I did order around. So they're in Doncaster, UK. So we have got, it looks quite confetti in parts. 38 colours, 70 by 70. So there is ABs. me have a look. I can't see with my glasses on. I'll put my glasses on. Find that inventory. So the AB is, I don't know. There's a couple of ABs. That just does not look like enough for this time. We will trust in the process. I've got to finish me ragdoll cat first, pink ragdoll, and then we'll do this. It has got little guide circles on it. I don't have an issue with that. Oh wow, there is lots of ABs. Oh right, okay, I'll get it. So basically, rather than put them at the end or the beginning, whatever, they've just gone through and added ABs on some of the colours. So let's try and find all the ABs. Blue, peach, yellow, blue, purple. Nice, nice, nice. I think that might be it. So there's plenty of 310, which is going to be, let me see what you can see, all here. So what I will do is actually do all the 310 first, get it out the way, get the colour blocking bits out the way. We'll go through what the colours they are. Again, it just doesn't, maybe, I don't know. We will soon find out. We will see. So we'll have a look where these ABs are going to go. I do want to do the library one, but I would want that one in square. Your mushrooms. So we've got 550, which is a U-turn. So there's a little bit down here. The symbols seem fine. There's some in the chimney up here. In the house. Some bits dotted about in the grass. Some down here. Okay, so 550. Then we've got 996. 996. Some tiny bits dotted there. Some little bits in the sky. That'll be nice. So that peach is a 537. 945. 945, which is a T, which is in the moon and in the aura on the sky. Maybe. Then there's I would have thought that's going to be in the light. 742. 7424. Yeah, so it's in the lights here and on some of the lit up path. And some little bits in the flowers again. And then we've got a greeny spearmint colour. 959 is an R. And that's in the sky and a bit in the bottom, down here. And then I might go all out if I can find some round, if I've got enough. And do 3865 in, because that's going to be in the moon as well. 3770. No, 3865 is a tick, which is there, and 1. Number 1 is 3770. I don't know. Can't find it. It's in there somewhere. Is that 3770? Yeah, so that's 3770. So I might bling that moon up a bit more. We shall see how I feel when I get to it. Looks alright. It's a round. I like the kit. The kit's really nice. I don't know. I think it's one of them that you really need the drills on it to appreciate it, because it's going to bring the colours out. Because this looks really muted considering the colours actually in the drills. So they are muted colours, but there is these quite bright colours as well. We will have a look. We will give it a try. Keep that over there. Put that down in there. Yeah, so this is from Katsi's Crafty Things. It is the Cottage. Fairy Cottage. It's a fairy cottage to me. It doesn't have the name. It has got a... It's pretty. $70 and it's round. So we'll go from there. It's pretty. I don't understand why I ordered around it. It's probably me rushing things. But I really do like the kit that comes with it. I like these trays. I want to try that tray. I don't think I'll do it for the 310 purely because that's a lot of 310 around the edges. But I will do it for the rest of it. Because it looks very confetti. I'm not seeing any trouble with any of the symbols. No. Even without my light I can see them. I just prefer a light. I don't need the light. I just prefer a light. So yeah, we have Fairy Cottage, 70 by 70 from Katsi's Crafty Things. I will put a link in the description down below. And yeah, thumbs up. I'm still baffled why I've ordered a round. I will check that. And I'll let you know in the finish. This is my next one. So cute. I really want the library on there. I want the biggest size and they haven't got any in stock, so how pretty. So I'm going to love you and leave you, and I hope to speak to you soon.